This is the cutting board. In it, a lot of people keep items cooled. I just got the plugs in here that I don't use. This here is for the sonar. I've got a Garmin 4 down view striker on it. It's connected to a 12-volt battery that's being charged over there. This is a Scotty mount rod holder on a feel-free Unitrack, which is these right here. They just pop in and clip on. This is the Yak Attack trolley system. Back there is the rudder to release it. You pull up on this and let it down. Then you pull it back up and lock it in place. The foot pedals here control it. The Kayak is also coming with this Yak Gear milk crate with a Yak Gear rod holders mounted on. Also coming with a 3-pound anchor weight and an 18-inch drift anchor. This goes to the paddles, a paddle release. And this is the feel-free lure paddle. This just goes right here. Clips on. Okay. And this here is the transducer. It's mounted to where no rocks or nothing's gonna hit it. That's it.